Okay, so for our next step, we've got the architectural model linked in here. So the next thing we need to do is go ahead and take a look at this linked model, and we need to go ahead and put this on the correct work set. So you see right now it's coming in as the default plumbing drainage. We want to go ahead and change this to link art, and that'll put that on the correct work set. And the next thing we need to do is we need to look at, we're going to be copying monitor the levels. So these are the default levels that are in this project. What we need to do is we need to look at the levels that are in the project from the architect. And as you can see, we're looking at an elevation of 655 feet 9 inches, which is typically above sea level. So what we want to do is go ahead and go to collaborate. We want to go to copy monitor, and we want to select link. And of course, we're going to select the architectural link that we have in our model. And then we want to come over here and we want to copy. And we're going to obviously select multiple things to copy. So we want to make sure that the multiple boxes checked. And then just like anything else, you hold the control key down and you go ahead and select all these different levels. And what we want to do is obviously we need to check out the entire project. So we have multiple buildings here, and we're going to have multiple levels. So I want to go ahead and go through, select all these levels from the different buildings. And let's see, we've got one more building down here. Take a look at what's going on. Sometimes you have to zoom in a little bit closer. And then we want to look at the entire project because it looks like we have some extra levels out here. So let's take a look at what these levels are. So okay, so that's the site plan. We definitely probably want to get a hold of that one. And then I believe there's one more over here. And okay, so this is 0, 0. This is your sea level. Let's go ahead and copy that one. We definitely want to keep all of them intact. And then we also have this graveyard over here, and it looks like they have their own level. We're going to copy this one. The main reason is because obviously we're probably going to do some individual design on these units, so we'll go ahead and copy that one just to be safe. We're not going to do anything with those. Those are ours, so we'll go ahead and up here. This is going to be copy monitor. We're going to finish the copy monitor. And then if you don't notice, this is still highlighted. We need to come up here and we need to finish it off here also. So when you hit finish, so now it's copied all of these levels. And if you look here, it's not going to show up yet because what we actually have to do is go into our view. We have to actually make floor plans for these. And if we go into floor plan, we see all the levels we just copied. So there's our original levels. You can kind of tell they're lowercase. We'll go ahead and hold down the tab. We'll select all of those, and then we'll grab these last 3. And then we'll hit OK. And if you look to our left, there's all our plans. And right now it's going to fall under coordination. And what I call these are master views is what I call them. And the reason I call them master views is because we don't want to use these views when we're creating our others. We'll get on that with the next step here. So basically, as we highlight these, we're going to see basically what the architect has set up. So this is going to be building 1, level 1. Yes, we see the building 2, but we'll get over that. As you can see, the box is big. We'll go over the next steps, how to confine this, how to create our levels so we can have design levels to work with. Alrighty, we'll go on to the next step here in just a minute.